Hello and welcome back. So I thought I'd do a little unboxing. I got an order here from AES, Automotive Electric Service Supplies or whatever, out in the UK. This is a box of electrical stuff for the Land Rover. So I thought I'd do a little unboxing and let's see what we got here. Alright, we got the paper with all the fun stuff in there. Let's see what we got. Since I'm working on the electrical stuff on the Rover, I needed some replacement parts. So here's headlight buckets. Let's see what we got in the headlight buckets. Alright, so the cool part is that I have the original glass lenses for the front of the Land Rover Series. So I ordered new sockets for the lenses, some electrical connectors, non-insulated ones, some electrical connectors where you can bolt it down and you can put a spade connector on there. What else we got? We got some more smaller non-insulated connectors. I always like using these. You're going to see these on the electrical build or whatever as I'm working on the Rover itself. I'm making a wiring harness. I'm going to use these on some of the parts and then other things, other standard connectors on other parts. So here's the flat ones, the larger ones. And we got some more sockets. Actually, they're the exact same sockets right here. 4 of them. Then we got the plastic covers for the insulated connectors, little plastic covers. And I got some more. I got smaller ones, and I got some more of these as well. Because you never know. I use these on the old cars. It takes a special crimper on there. I'll show you the crimper. I'll go grab it here in a minute. So we got hardware for the headlight buckets. So there's one headlight bucket. Here's another headlight bucket. They're plastic ones, but I heard from a couple of guys that the plastic ones are okay to use instead of the metal ones, but we'll give them a try and see how it goes. Some more electrical connectors. Let's see what else we got here. I got some bulbs, some good old Lucas bulbs to go along with the Land Rover. I grabbed just a bunch of these. They were pretty cheap if you buy like a pack of them, like a 10-pack of the bulbs. So I just bought a bunch of the bulbs. I think some of these are, like this is the smaller white light, just clear lenses. And then some of these, I think this might be it here. Yeah, for the front turning signal, I got some amber ones for the front. So I got 2 of those for the front. And then I think these are just regular bulbs, I think. Regular clear bulbs. And then I got the rubber boots that go onto these sockets here. So they'll all be nice and clean and brand new or whatever. Because the front of the Rover, if you look at the picture when you first start to film, and it'll say at the beginning, you know, like, subscribe, and all that jazz. So on there, you'll see there has actually tractor lights on the front. And tractor lights and a stock turning signal. So I'm replacing the tractor lights. While I was digging around in the back of the Rover, I found the original glass marker lights where the tractor lights were. So that's why I'm excited to get these things. So that's everything in the box. Let me get the tool and I'll show you how to crimp these on. Alright, so you have these non-insulated connectors like this. They take a special crimping tool because it takes a crimp here It crimps onto the wire, then this crimps onto the sheeting of the actual wire. So you got a special tool like this. It has a double jaws in here. So you can put this inside, put the wire in there, and it crimps it around, and you ratchet it down, and it'll crimp it right onto the wire. So it'll look like an old school type plug. Yeah, I think here I have one right here, actually, an old one that I made. You can see if it'll focus. See, it does like that. It's the old style, the original like factory look type connectors, which I really like or whatever whenever I'm doing wiring. It gives it a nice look to it. And plus they're super sturdy. They're not coming off because it crimps on both. So that's it for this video. I'm just doing a quick unboxing here. So the headlights, they're going to be installed into the grill. I've been working on that. Keep an eye out for that video. And then for all these connectors and these kind of things, I started working on the dash video. So with the wiring, I've been working on the wiring. So keep an eye out for that video too. So thank you guys for watching, liking, subscribing, following along, and commenting. Have a good one, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.